Hi viewers, welcome back everyone. Kate, Inadar's, Worldcoin, MEW memecoin. Basic information, important technical analysis, price prediction update forecast, quick update. It is new update. MEWcoin last 24-hour time after recording 3% price increase. Current technical indicators sentiment overall neutral position zone imbalance. Current position MEWcoin imbalance neutral. Fear and greed index 58, greed index. MEWcoin currently performance 50%. Currently performance MEWcoin, Cat, Inadar's, Worldcoin 50%. Price volatility 15%. Very high volatility. 24-hour trading volume 50 million. Market cap 300 billion. Market dominance MEWcoin 0.01%. Last 24-hour trading volume decrease 50% before. Last 24-hour trading volume decrease 50%. Big chance, big opportunity, new investor. Dip market, low price, before new rally. New buy entry point 0.003275. 0.003275. Possible buy entry trade point. Hold profitable. Current circulating supply 89 billion MEW. Out of supply same 89 billion MEW. Highest price, high cycle, MEWcoin 0.004783. Highest price, high cycle 0.004783. MEWcoin currently ranked memecoin sector 17. MEWcoin currently ranked memecoin sector 17. Big potential. This coin, Cat, Inadar's, Worldcoin. Currently 62 cryptocurrency exchange listed. 80 pairs. KuCoin, Bybit, Upbit, Binance future listed coin, OKX, Get.io, Get, Mexi. Currently price predictions seem to be neutral. 15 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish buy signals and 13 signaling bearish sell signal. Currently neutral position zone imbalance, time of recording. Currently RSI indicator, relative strength index momentum value around 45, 55 indicates MEWcoin market neutral position zone. RSI indicator around 45 or 55 neutral position zone. Currently 50-day SMA EMA bullish short-term trending zone. Currently daily SMA EMA 21 bullish and bearish situation. Currently daily SMA EMA 21.1053 bearish and bullish situation condition. Overall technical indicator sentiment neutral. Weekly SMA simple moving average 2150 bullish. Weekly EM exponential moving average 21 bearish, 50 bullish. Overall technical indicators sentiment neutral imbalance. Support level entry points 0.003025, 0.002835 and strongest support level entry point 0.002535. Resistance levels 0.003275, 0.003435 and 0.003875 resistance levels. MEWcoin forecast current technical indicators sentiment neutral, imbalance, RSI indicator neutral. Last 24-hour time of recording 3% price increase up. Neutral position, good position for investment. Hold, profitable. New buy entry trade point, possible entry trade point 0.003275. 0.003275 new buy entry trade point. Hold, medium term, short term, profitable. Cat, Inadar's, Worldcoin, MEWcoin, memecoin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update forecast. Goodbye.